Christened in 2024, the awe-inspiring Disney Treasure expanded the Disney Cruise Line fleet with its compass set toward adventure. Always up for an adventure, the Disney Files magazine staff stowed away as Disney Vacation Club members were among the first wave of guests to set sail on the gleaming new ship. And since their magnifying glasses made it through customs, they spent their cruise digging for details. Let's take a look at the staff's 5 favorite details on this spectacular ship in this nautical edition of Disney Vacation Club Details We Dig. Number 5. Rooted on a river. If you've ever taken safari sandstone for granite or admired the beautiful backside of water, you belong in the Skipper Society Lounge, inspired by the world-famous Jungle Cruise attraction. Serving good drinks and bad jokes, this whimsical watering hole is filled with delightful details, from sculpted attraction scenes to paddles. With the years, the attraction opened at Disneyland Park and Magic Kingdom Park. The Disney Files staff's favorite detail was this simple sign above the bar. Resembling similar signs found atop Jungle Cruise attraction boats, this one displays the riverboat name Ems Empress. Why Ems? Because the Disney Treasure was born from a shipyard in Germany, situated along the rolling waters of the Ems River. To discover more hidden details in this lighthearted lounge, ask a member of the friendly crew. They're overexcited to host you, which is certainly better than being overboard. Number 4. Sublime subtext. Reminiscent of the Nautilus submarine made famous in Walt Disney's classic film 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, as well as the former Magic Kingdom attraction of the same name, the Periscope Pub serves light bites, undersea-inspired drinks, and craft brews. It also serves up eye-popping details, including what appears to be a glass ceiling, often darkened by the shadows of sea creatures swimming through the watery world above. Disney Files staffers exploring the space noted numerous nods to the number 718. It frequently hides in plain sight, from the sign above the door to the depth pressure gauge behind the bar, where the pressure consistently hovers around 718. Remember that shipyard we mentioned in the Skipper Society detail? It assigns a unique identification number to each new ship it builds. I bet you can guess which number identifies the Disney Treasure. That's right, 718. You'll even find the number hidden on the periscope itself, which carries the patent number 718, followed by 20K, a reference to 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea and 1869, the year Jules Verne's 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea novel was first serialized. Number 3. Statues in the Sky. A picturesque palace on the high seas, the ship's jaw-dropping Grand Hall draws real-world influence from Asia and Africa, while also finding enchanting inspiration in the fictional world of Agrabah from Walt Disney Animation Studios' Aladdin. You'll find Aladdin imagery in everything from the Grand Hall's colorful sculpted carpets to its intricate mosaic tile murals. And, as if the space needed any more magic, you'll find Genie's magic lamp displayed near a gravity-defying statue, sending Aladdin and Jasmine on a magic carpet ride. But to find the Disney Files staff's favorite details in the Grand Hall, you'll need to look up. Hung from a ceiling inspired by an endless diamond sky, the Grand Hall's striking chandelier is surrounded by 6 lanterns. While those lanterns may look the same at first glance, closer inspection reveals that each lantern uniquely references an atrium or Grand Hall statue found on a Disney Cruise Line ship. Mickey Mouse, for example, references the Mickey statue in the atrium aboard the Disney Magic. Other lanterns reference Ariel on the Disney Wonder, Donald Duck on the Disney Dream, Minnie Mouse on the Disney Fantasy, and Cinderella on the Disney Wish. The 6th lantern displays Genie's lamp, a reference to the Grand Hall right here on the Disney Treasure, the 6th ship in the Disney Cruise Line fleet. Number 2. A fishy flush. The Disney Files staff's top 2 details materialize in a place they've deemed to be their favorite hangout on any Disney Cruise Line ship, the Haunted Mansion Parlor. Conjuring up frightful fun for foolish mortals, this spellbinding space is packed with wall-to-wall creeps, paying tribute to Haunted Mansion attractions at Disney parks across the globe. While you'll recognize many of the parlor's ghoulish delights at first sight, one of the Disney Files staff's favorite details is hidden inside the ominous aquarium in the dead center of the room. Search the bottom of the tank and you'll find a tiny tombstone that, like its larger counterparts outside the Haunted Mansion attractions, memorializes the dearly departed with a rhyme. This one belongs to a pet fish named Bubbles, who apparently now swims through regions beyond. Bubbles' toilet-shaped tombstone reads, "Bubbles' life was a rush, laid to rest with a flush." And number 1, embracing the weird. We stay in the Haunted Mansion parlor for the Disney Files staff's very favorite detail. Displayed near the frightful fireplace is this bizarre bust of a melting face. It's a reference to the Candleman, a quirky concept dreamed up by Imagineer and Disney legend Roland Crump, better known by his nickname Rolly, for the Museum of the Weird, a walk-through attraction concept that would evolve to become the ride-through Haunted Mansion attraction we know today. The bust's face isn't the one Rolly envisioned for his Candleman. It's inspired instead by the face of Rolly himself. A plaque at the base of the bust celebrates Roland Crump with these rhyming words: "Brother Roland, forever revered, for embracing the weird." There you have it, the Disney Files magazine staff's 5 favorite details on the majestic Disney Treasure ship. Of course, there are plenty more details to discover on board. What's your favorite?